Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Canva versus Photoshop. We'll explore their core functionalities, ease of use, and target audiences. Canva excels in rapid design with its vast template library, while Photoshop offers unparalleled control for intricate photo editing and graphic creation. Understanding their distinct strengths will guide you in selecting the ideal software for your projects, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. Canva is your go-to for quick and intuitive design. With a library boasting hundreds of thousands of templates, from social media posts to presentations, you can create stunning visuals in minutes. Its drag-and-drop functionality means no prior design experience is needed. While a robust free version exists, a pro subscription unlocks premium features like brand kits and 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, perfect for small businesses and content creators. Photoshop stands as the professional's choice for intricate image manipulation. It offers unparalleled control over every pixel, making it essential for high-end photo retouching, complex compositing, and digital art. Features like layers, masks, and smart objects provide immense flexibility. While it has a steeper learning curve, its capabilities are unmatched for professional photographers, graphic designers, and artists. Access requires an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, often costing around $20 monthly. Ultimately, your choice between Canva and Photoshop depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize speed, ease of use, and template-based creation for everyday content, Canva is an excellent fit. However, for professional photo editing, intricate graphic design, or projects demanding pixel-perfect control, Photoshop is indispensable. Many professionals even integrate both into their workflow, using Canva for quick assets and Photoshop for detailed, high-fidelity work. Consider your project scope and your design expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.